Oh!
Okay.
Hell yeah. I guess you could park right here. I wonder if that's him. Today's the day. After months and months of saving and even more months of searching, I'm gonna get my drift car. We are 7 minutes out. I have Pat the Snake. And I still can't believe it's happening. Let's see if I see it. Still don't see it. I guess back. Yeah. Cord's nice.
It's kind of baller.
That's what my cord could be? That's crazy. Okay.
Can't see that too.
Yeah. Oh!
Okay.
Hell yeah. I guess you could park right here. My 2004 Lexus IS300. Basically all stock. Has 91,000 miles on the engine. Under the engine, nothing major, just basic maintenance. Everything's done to it, so when you get to suspension, he has Godspeed coilovers on that I'm probably not going to keep for too long, but it's better than riding stock. Brakes, slotted rotors, and stainless steel brake lines. The interior, oh yeah, it's factory manual if you guys didn't assume that, but tan interior, all OEM wheel, OEM knob, but this interior is probably gonna go black eventually. Sunroof, which I'm happy I still have again in the car. If you go to the rear, got the LED aftermarket taillights that I'll keep for a little bit. He has a muffler delete, which doesn't sound too bad, but I'm also going to change back to stock. And 35% tint. Just a couple of chips in the paint, but nothing major. I'm going to do a color change anyways. But how it sits and how it drives is perfect for what my use is, so it's intended for drifting. Gonna focus a lot on seat time in this car. Got 4 events coming up throughout August, September, and October at Spirit, and work on cosmetic stuff down the road, but this is it. This is the car. This is the vision. It's what I always wanted. I didn't want any other chassis. Before this, I was looking at an FRS, maybe a 240, but I always knew I wanted ultimately to be in the IS300. And for the future, just a lot of driving. Honestly, gonna practice, do a driver mod on myself, go to Mexico a lot, and yeah, that's about it. Sick. Justin, if you're watching this, thanks for all the change, homie. Got all that from the center console, and I definitely need as much money as I could get right now after buying the whole car. What's up?
I already knew that was you pulling up. I was like, there's no way there's an IS coming this way. Sick. See it. Let me hop in real quick. Dang, silver? How do you hate silver?
I hate silver, but this is the best.
Nah, silver looks sick.
Fuck it. Fuck silver.
Lamborghini Mercy, yo chick she so thirsty. I'm in that 2C Lambo with your girl, she tryna turn me. Hey, Lamborghini Mercy, yo chick she so thirsty. I'm in.